Nastya!
The Nightingale, adapted from Hans Christian Andersen. In a very distant country, there stood a palace surrounded by a blooming garden. A powerful Chinese emperor lived in that palace. In the garden, a small nightingale was singing its songs. They were soft and beautiful, and the emperor loved listening to the bird. But one day, he got a gift. It was a man-made nightingale of gold and silver. If you wound it up with a key, it would sing and wave its tail. The emperor was so happy about this present and listened to the golden bird so often that he forgot about the real nightingale. One day, the emperor fell ill. He was lying on the bed, pale and cold, and couldn't move. Suddenly, the emperor saw Death coming up to his bed. Death was wearing the emperor's crown on his head and was holding the emperor's saber. The emperor was very frightened. He wanted to listen to the golden bird's song, but nobody could help him wind it up. Death was very close. Suddenly, the emperor heard soft singing out of the window. That was the real nightingale, who had come to cheer the ill emperor up. Death was listening to the beautiful song, and his heart grew softer and softer. Finally, he stepped back from the emperor's bed and left the palace. The emperor heartily thanked the nightingale and fell asleep. In the morning, when he woke, he was completely healthy.
Be the first! Grab a special discount for the new Learn Like Nastya educational app. Visit learnlikenastya.com or scan the QR code for more information.